Welcome to the video demonstration of organization level School Bag Office application homepage details. Today, the world is changing at a faster pace and is called the digital era. Prior to the computer advent, managing day-to-day activities of the institution was very cumbersome, repetitive and error-prone. Retrieving any past student record was very time-consuming. Now, with the advent of School Bag, the complete management software, these problems are being answered to everyone's satisfaction. School Bag is a comprehensive, interactive web-based solution focused on global educational market and provides a digital platform for recording day-to-day school activities integrated in one centralized database system. The School Bag Office application manages all the day-to-day activities of your institution administration. This is the home page of School Bag Office solution, displayed after you log into the application. Let me explain you the various modules available with our Office application. The menu bar here represents the core features of your organization administration, along with the institution details, organization news, a drop-down list box from where you can access individual institutions' administration page. Institutes. The institution page displays the existing institution details under the organization. The edit option allows uploading logo and modifying the institution details. You can add new institution entries using the new institute option. When clicked on this option, a page with institute entry form will be displayed. Fill the required fields and save the entry. The new institute entry will then be displayed on the home page as well as in the drop-down institute box list. Administration. The administration module helps in creating role-based administration. The super administration creates different groups like parents, teachers using the group option. The role option is used to create different role-based access like attendance manager, administrator, individual institution, registrar and account manager and so on, and assign them users and certain privileged permissions, so that the users created under that role can access only their information. For example, the attendance clerk does not have the privilege to assign grades or admission, but he has only access to the attendance management at the institution or organization level. The organization settings help to define settings according to your organization needs. There is an advanced security setting that protects your organization from identity thefts and hackers. Other setting includes date format, logout URL and so on. The details option displays the organization details. Forms. Every small to large educational organization is flooded with lots of inquiries every day. The School Bag Office has integrated help desk features like inquiries and registrations with email support. It gives us insight about what the students are looking for and other info. The inquiries and registration forms are displayed when clicked on their respective links. Students and staff enrollment form is available and can be made use with the links available in this module. Perform. The Perform module helps in managing your institution or organization website. Organization news can be added and updated using this option. Email. The email module is used for internal as well as external communication between the various entities of an institution like management, students, parents and teachers and so on. Email module helps the school in managing and responding to large volumes of customer, students, staff, parents and employees' emails promptly, professionally and effectively every time. Reports. The Reports module provides you with detailed reports about your various organization administrative modules that include fee details, administration, student details, staff details and many more. Data navigates through all modules and the desired reports can be generated by a button click. My Account. My Account link displays the account information of the logged in user. He or she can change or reset the password anytime by using the Change Password option available. Resetting the password regularly keeps the user information secure from the hackers. You can also modify the account information and the preferences using the Edit option. One of the main features provided by the School Bag Office application to the organization is multi-campus support. If the organization has one or more institutions under its wing, then all the organization as well as the institution details can be saved, stored and retrieved using centralized database system. There is no need of installing and deploying SchoolBag in the individual institutes. This is how the SchoolBag Office application manages the administrative tasks at the organization level. Thank you. For further assistance or request of demonstration, please mail us at info@schoolbag.com.